Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about what you can do if your headphone jack is not working or you're having any earphone connection problem in your device Vivo V25 Pro. So if you face any kind of this problem, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if your headphone jack is not working.